Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sterling and we are back with another video. If you already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much and welcome back. And if you haven't, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Today is kind of like a get ready with me because I am going out with one of my closest friends. It's also one of my goals for this year. I don't know if you guys remember my video when I was talking about the goals that I have for this year. I wanted to be more intentional with my friendship, and that's something she also had in her vision board for this year. So we're just gonna go ahead and hang out, run our mouth, and have a couple drinks and take our asses back home. So I'm very excited. As you can guys can see, it's gonna be a very casual hangout. So this is why I didn't do no lashes, no crazy eyeshadow, no wing liner, no nothing like that. This is a very quick and easy look that you can achieve if you're going to work, and also if you're going out and you don't feel like doing the whole shebang. So this is something that you can do. All right, so go ahead and keep on watching and see how I got this look. Okay, this look is gonna be for my girlies who struggles with wing liner and lashes. So today's look is gonna be no wing liner, no lashes, no crazy eyeshadow either, and it's gonna be very simple and very chic at the same time. And it's also a look that you can do if you are going to work, and also if you're going out, to be honest, because we're gonna look good no matter what. Okay, as you guys can see, I already got my eyebrows done. I got my I also apply my foundation. So we're just gonna go ahead and go right into concealing. We're using Born This Way concealer today in the shade Warm Sand. Love this concealer. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and apply. I know applying wing liner and also lashes can be something most of us struggles with. I still struggle with it as well, honestly. So some days it works out like boom boom boom, you got it right, and other days you be over here fighting for your life to get it right, and it's just not happening. We are human, we all struggle with things, and that's all right. Just gonna go ahead and blend this. Normally I don't add concealer in my forehead. I don't know what was happening to me today. I went ahead and did it. Normally I don't. I just use whatever's left over in the brush and I just go over it. It works the same, but I didn't put a lot, so that's okay.
That's okay.
So normally I go with a brighter concealer under my eye just for a brighter look, but like I said, this is just a casual setting, so I will keep the makeup look to a minimum as much as possible. I'm gonna be using this setting powder from Tarte. It's in the shade Honey. I crease like crazy. and this setting powder is supposed to be very helpful with that as well. So we're gonna go ahead now with contour. We're just gonna go straight with powder. We're not doing cream today. And I think this does a good job by itself. I wanted to use this powder. I got this powder from Fenty that I ordered, and it's in my mailbox, and it was delivered. I should have go get it. I wanted to use it. I'll probably use it on my next. I use it on my next. I don't know if I mentioned that I have locks. So I do have locks. I don't know if I mentioned that. And I know I don't let my locks out all the time because I really like to switch things out, and I'm taking advantage of it now that my locks are not as long. And I know it's gonna get harder and harder as they grow to, you know, switch up styles and stuff. Oh, I forgot to mention, Juvia Space Volume 1 is what I'm using for my blush, and I'm going with this color right here. This orange. That's not looking so orange. Let's go ahead and do our eyes. I'm just going to use a brown colored eyeshadow, just one color, and I'm gonna go with this palette right here from Julia, and I think I'm gonna go with this chocolate color brown, and I'll just put it all over the lid. and we're gonna go with our setting spray. I'll go once more with the setting spray from Morphe. That is it. Let me go ahead and fix my hair.